How to make Discord use less RAM. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make Discord use less RAM. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Discord. After you've opened up your Discord, make sure that you've turned logged into your account. After you've on your Discord, head over to this user settings. And under user settings, you can scroll down till you see the apps setting. Now under app setting, we'll change a lot of settings here. So what you can do is you can just head over to accessibility. You can check for any updates or any features that you do not actually use. So here, turn off sync profile themes. You can also turn off sync contrast themes. Again, scroll down, you can enable reduced motion if you want to or not. It's completely up to you. You can automatically play GIFs. Make sure that you've turned that off. You can turn the animated emojis off as well, and on your stickers you can change this to never animate as well. Simply turn off all the features and all the modes or things like that which take up your RAM. You can head you can head over to your voice settings. Again, you can change all the settings here as well. Make sure that you've turned on hardware acceleration because this makes your GPU render all of your encodings and decodings. After you've done that, you can cancel echo cancellation. You can also have this noise suppression to none. You can change other settings as well. Again, you can also change other settings on your advanced. You can turn off your developers mode also as well, and with that you can just turn off everything. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is restart your PC and you're good to go. So yeah, that is how you can make your Discord use less RAM. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.